Alright guys, I'm stalking a QQQ short. What I'm expecting is a push into this 379.50. I'll see a good pattern, a rejection pattern, a distribution pattern, and I'll take the short. That's what we're looking for. It is majorly against trend because all this week, here's Friday, Monday, Tuesday. If we push up into this level, I feel like it could be a sneaky liquidity zone. So right here we have all these rejections, all these reactions, so this is a supply zone definitely, but it could also push up past this midpoint, and anytime it pushes past the midpoint, I no longer look for the short or the rejections. Alright, interesting. Pretty interesting. I'm going in. I'm going in. 8 contracts filled at $1. We really want to see it break the zone. The reason I'm going in, probably a little early, push out of the zone. That's good news. All these buyers, someone's gonna take some profits. That's what I'm expecting, and they're in a good enough position to where we could get follow through with the help of Microsoft. Oh my goodness, they just wicked me. They wicked me pretty hard. They wicked me. Are they gonna keep pushing? Alright, there's a drop. There's a drop. It needs to engulf this area. It needs to go below this area right here. That 379.30 and then 378.80 is what we're looking for. Come on, sellers. This is a spot that sellers can step in. You really need to push down. New 15-minute candle in 2 minutes. I'm still in the play. I almost took it off. When we made that last wick, but now we're getting what we wanted. We got a break below. Now we're looking for the break below this 379.20. You're not getting what I'm looking for. SPY is still holding that demand. Buyers, man, they're crazy. New 15-minute in 12 seconds. I didn't take any off, and you just got more rejections. So this should be sellers. This should be sellers, at least in the short term. We can scale some off. We're now green. This is the line that we needed to break. We broke it nicely. I'm pretty happy about how I've managed the trade with as far as my emotions. I didn't let it take me out. And now we're gonna hold on to this for a little bit. You got room to the downside. Alright, there's the big red candle that we were looking for. There's the Clifford. We wanted that Clifford. It's a big candle. Very nice. And yeah, it coincided with the start of a new 15-minute candle. I'm gonna take one contract off there at 113. So now holding 7 contracts. I'm actually gonna take one more contract off. 109. Let's see if we get the follow through. Buyers are still in control. Definitely, buyers are definitely still in control. But we're looking for that follow through. This is a higher time frame supply zone. Very nice higher time frame supply zone. So it could be a little tricky, but it also could be a really nice trade that we're sitting in, and we might just have to be patient about it. I'm not sure. I think holding half of the contracts is a little high risk, maybe. I should have maybe taken off a little bit more. But if we can break below this, we're gonna have a party, man. We're gonna have a party. A seller party. Alright, SPY is forming the head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. If we do get a sell-off, it's going to be a pretty big sell-off. Boom! Big candle. Big candle. Up 17%. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. That's exactly what I was looking for. Holding 3 contracts. We're at 122. Look at that candle, man. That was the last hope for the bulls. Alright, looking to take one off here at 121. I love to scale out. We're getting more follow through. Nice imbalance. Very nice imbalance. Contracts are up to 128. That means I'm up $30 on each contract. Oh my goodness. Alright. I have 2 contracts left. I'm scaling out another at 132 there. Up 30%. And I have 1 contract left. So the higher time frame supply zone really it worked well. It got me nervous a little bit, but I was positioned in a way to where my emotions wouldn't take the better of me, to where I could still take the trade and think logically about things. So I had 1 winner and 1 loser today. I'm up $100. Very nice trade.